In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candlestick colors in TradingView. If you're someone who enjoys customizing their charting experience, or maybe you want your charts to better suit your aesthetic preferences or help you differentiate between bullish and bearish trends more easily, this guide is for you. Let's dive into this simple yet effective process. First things first, open up TradingView and navigate to the chart you want to work on. Now, to access the chart settings, simply right-click on any area of your chart. This brings up a context menu, which should offer you a variety of options. Among these options, you'll find Settings, which you should click to open. Once you've done that, you'll see a Settings window pop up. On this window, locate and select the Symbol tab. This section houses all the parameters concerning how your chart elements are displayed, including our key focus today, the candlestick colors. Let's start with adjusting the default candlestick colors, a straightforward way to tailor your chart's visuals. Within the Symbol tab, you'll find options specifically for candlestick colors, broken down into several sections. First up, we have the colors for bullish bars. These are the bars that indicate when a particular asset price is moving upwards. You can select a color that resonates with you, something that immediately catches your eye as uptrend. Next, we have bearish bars. These bars signify a downward price movement. Choose a color that best represents a downtrend for you, distinct from your bullish bars for clear differentiation. Besides the body of the candlesticks, you might want to adjust the colors for the borders and the wicks. The borders are simply the edges of the candles, and you have complete freedom to select any color that enhances your visibility or preference. Meanwhile, the wicks, or the shadows or lines of the candles, can also be color customized. This can help highlight these parts of the candlestick more prominently in case they hold particular significance for your analysis. With all those options laid out, it's time to actually select the new colors. Next to each parameter, bullish, bearish, borders, and wicks, you'll see a small color swatch. Click on this swatch and it will bring up a color palette. From here, you can choose from a variety of pre-selected colors, or if you have something specific in mind, click the plus icon to add a custom color. You even have the choice to input a hex code if you have an exact shade you want to use. Don't forget to adjust the opacity if you wish to make your colors more or less transparent for better viewing. Once you're satisfied with your new settings, make sure you click OK or Apply to save your changes. Immediately, you will see your chart's appearance updated to reflect the new candlestick colors you've chosen. This concludes our guide, and I hope this customization enhances both the functionality and the flair of your TradingView experience. Happy charting!